Cyber Hikes, it's your boy Eric, and in today's video I'm going to be giving a quick review on the first certification from Master IT's course. I'll probably have like the title of the actual first course and the 8 or 9 course bundle, but this is going to be towards my first certification. And I'm not gonna lie, the way Rob explains things just makes it so freaking simple. Like, oh my gosh! Like, now a lot of this stuff I kind of already know. I mean, I'm not like tech illiterate. I know a ton about tech, in terms of like troubleshooting things, configuration, stuff like that. Like either from my office here, my parents' house, my sister's house, my girl's house, my grandparents' house. Like, I've always been, with the tech side of things. So a lot of the stuff currently in this first certification I kind of already know, but like the way he explains it just makes it easier to remember certain things that I didn't know, and how two or three different things combine to each other. He just explains it very well, which I like. And I think this is great too, again, for somebody who is not in tech. Just the way he explains it, I can definitely see somebody who is, fast food worker, truck driver. I can see a lot of different people being able to understand a lot of the tech terms, and there's different stuff in tech pretty easily. Now, this part I'm on now, I think I'm about like 95%. I just got to take the pre-test and a final exam for my first certification. This is still, I think, the second week since I've actually started taking the course. So I guess technically speaking, I do got about 2 more weeks, but there's so much stuff going on. You got Thanksgiving, you got my birthday, my sister's birthday, her baby. It's got a lot of stuff just back to back. Christmas. There's a lot going on, but I'm still committed to get this first cert done before my birthday, if I can, definitely before Christmas. But right now, I'm just going over all of the different terms. I didn't have any little cards. I forgot the freaking name of them, but I made my own little cards right here of all the different terms. You guys can see that. This is half. This is the stuff I pretty much know, and this is the stuff I've still got to remember. Not that much. What I've noticed, what has helped me learning the different acronyms is to first go through all of the terms. If you can, write them all down, so you can have them. You can have like this one, NTFS, write the acronym, and in the back, write what it is, and just go through those. And the ones that you pretty much remember for the most part, you can put on the side. The ones that you don't remember, put those in another pile. And then on that other pile, take about 5 of those, and go through just those 5 until you remember it. And then you can chillax, chill, go back over those 5. Once you kind of got either those 5 or majority of those, put the ones that you do know, put those in the pile that you do know, and then you get 4 or 5 more, and you continue this cycle. So yeah, that's been helping me a ton. Hopefully, I'll be able to memorize everything pretty soon. Hopefully by this weekend or by this week for sure. I just want to be super prepared for this test. I may do a video where I kind of just go over each one, like NAS, network attack. Oh, well, okay. I'm not going to read that. Okay. Let me just do a couple real quick with you guys here. So we got NFC, and NFC is near field communications. Bam, got that right. Let's use TCP. That is transmission control protocol. Oh, look at that, guys. Okay, WAN or WAN, and that is the wireless area network. I just said that. I said wireless. I don't know why. I'm tripping right now. Okay, we'll do one more. VPN. This is a virtual private network. I've used VPNs before, so yeah, I kind of just been using those to they help me with my studying. So I'll probably do like another video, maybe like right before I take the real test, or maybe right after I take the test. We'll see. I might do two, maybe one right before, one right after. Maybe do a little studying with you guys here. Heck, if I get 50 subs, I think I can do a live stream with on mobile. Hey, so maybe I can do like a mobile live stream on here. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited. So far in the test, I mean, so far in this first course from Rob, liking what I'm seeing so far. I will give you guys the juice if I want to pass this first one or not on my first try. That what we're shooting for hasn't been 30 days yet. I think we're going to do it. But anyway, guys, if you want to see this journey, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.